tiny, round and fat. Snowy whiskers, shiny eyes, runs around with happy cries. Oh my kitty, cute and sweet, pitter patter little feet. I love you and you love me, best friends forever we will be. She wakes me up at morning light, purrs beside me day and night, jumps and plays with yarn and string, chases shadows like a king. Oh my kitty, cute and sweet, pitter patter little feet. I love you and you love me, best friends forever we will be. When I'm sad she cuddles near, wipes away my little tear. Soft as fur and heart so true, kitty I belong to you. Tail goes left and tail goes right, sleeping by me every night. My pet cat, my gentle